Hey guys, it's Kayla. If you want to get this beachy look right here, then keep on watching.
Okay guys, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. primer and just rub that evenly all over my face and making sure it's patted in really well. Next I'm taking my CoverGirl concealer and just concealing my under eyes and wherever it's red, so the outers of my eyes and my nose, the sides of my nose, because girls usually are red there due to hormones. And then I'm just going to add some on my lid as well, just to hide the veins. Taking my mighty old good finger, I'm just going to blend that in, making sure everything's evenly spread out and covered. Next I'm taking my Morphe brush with the spoolie and the eyebrow brush on it and just brushing through my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take my Annabelle pencil, eyebrow pencil in the color taupe and fill in my eyebrows. Then going back in with the spoolie brush and brushing my eyebrows through. Next I'm going to take my Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott and just prime my eyelids. Then I'm going in with my favorite Jaclyn Hill palette and going in the color Silk Cream and using that as my transition color, blending back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And then going in with on the other eye and doing the same. Next I'm going to go into the color Butter and put that into my crease. And then the outer corners as well. Then using my smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with the color Mocha and put that into my outer corners and halfway onto my crease. And then doing the same on the other eye. Blending, blending, more blending. And then with my finger, I'm just going to take the color Queen, which is a beautiful gold shade, and put that onto my eyelids. And And then I decided to go in with a brush and then take the color Little Lady and put that over top. Next I'm going with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator and putting that all over my face. It's also the color Golden Door. Then I'm going in with my Lancôme Ultra Wear in the shade 390. And with my Wet Beauty Blender, I'm putting that all over my face. I'm only doing a light coverage today, just because I'm going to be out in the sun and I just don't want a full coverage face. And with the illuminator underneath the foundation, it just gives you a beautiful glow. Then with my Stay Matte by Rimmel, I'm just going to powder all the places where I sweat. So my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, my nose, and making sure that's packed on there. Next I'm going with my Kat Von D palette and taking that middle shade, which is Shadow Play, and contouring my face. It's a nice bronzer color. And I'm really contouring or bronzing my forehead. Wherever the sun naturally hits your face, that's where I'm focusing on. And just putting a little bit on my nose. Next I'm going in with my Show Me Your Cheeks by Elizabeth Moth in the color Peach Pink. It has a beautiful peachy shimmer to it, so it's very nice when the sun hits it. Going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm also going to highlight my face with these two beautiful shades, which is in Light and Obsessed, and highlight my cheeks. This palette has so much pigment that it's very versatile when you're using the shade, so the highlights on this is pretty unreal. Can't forget the nose. Next I'm going in with my Take Me Brow Gel and just setting my eyebrows so they're not flopping everywhere. Then I'm just going to do my under eyes, so I'm taking the color Butter again and just adding that under my, or sorry, Pooter, not Butter, Pooter. And putting that under my eyelids, blending the top in with the bottom. And then doing the same on the other eye. And with my flat liner blush or precision blush, I'm going in with the shade Central Park and just darkening and lining my bottom lid. For those days you don't want to wear liner, it's a nice trick. And then going back in and doing my upper lid as well so my lashes can blend in properly. Because I don't know about you, I do not like wearing a liquid liner throughout a hot summer day out on the beach. So this works just as good. Next I'm going in with with Beam and Obsess and adding that into my inner corners where my tear duct is. And then going in with Beam as well and highlighting my brows. Look at that highlight. Oh, so beautiful. And then just adding a little bit more on my nose and my lips. And then blending all the colors in. Next I'm taking my Kiss Me lashes and adding those onto my eyes. Oh, I think I got glue in my eye at this point. Then I'm taking my telescopic mascara and just mascaraing my eyes. Then I just took a gloss that I have. It doesn't even have a name on it, but I'm adding just a clear gloss onto my lips with a little bit of shimmer in it. And then I'm going to set my face with the inflatable setting spray by L'Oreal.
Well, this finishes up my bronzy look for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like and comment and let me know what you guys think. Okay, bye guys.